Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I customized my helmet and made it look really close to my cycle, as in a part of the cycle. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so guys, the first step you would want to do is actually sand the helmet top so that the paint can actually stick to the helmet top properly and not peel off. The paint shouldn't peel off. तो गैस आप लोग का जैसे ही सैंडिंग हो जाए आपको चेक करना है कि हेलमेट स्मूथ लग रही है या फिर नहीं है। अगर स्मूथ लग रही है तो फिर आपका काम बराबर हुआ है। उसके बाद आपको जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप करना है, मास्किंग टेप लेनी है। मास्किंग टेप से जो भी अपना एयर वेंट्स है जैसा कि, और अभी जो साइड के स्ट्रैप्स हैं अपने जो सर पे बांधते हैं, उनको पूरा मास्किंग टेप से रैप कर देना है। तो उससे क्या होगा कि जो भी पेंट हम लोग डालेंगे वो अपने थर्मोकोल के जो ओपन पार्ट्स है या फिर जो ब्लैक पार्ट्स हैं वो ब्लैक ही रहेंगे और वो एक अलग अपने को लुक देंगे हेलमेट पे। Okay, so guys, as you can see here, I've completely done the helmet. I've completely taped it up, and it took me around 1.5 to 2 hours to get it done. And once that's done, it's really easy and it's better to paint, so that you don't have to clean up afterwards. Although guys, if you are planning to do a black spray paint and then get the custom stickers that I'm going to be doing ahead, then what you could do is just basically tape up this strap part and just go with it. You don't need to tape up those air vents or anything because they're already black. Okay, so guys, in the next step you need to sanitize and degrease the helmet. So now I would just put some sanitizer and just wipe it down with a cloth. What that will do is degrease and remove any dust particles or anything. Okay, so guys, the next step is gonna be painting the helmet. So as you guys can see, I'm using a white matte paint. So guys, before starting the painting process, you should shake the can really well so that it mixes up all the paint properly. Okay, so guys, now that you're almost about to paint, keep in mind that you need to spread at least 3 coats of paint on the helmet, and all the coats should be sprayed from at least 15 to 20 centimeters away. So guys, I've applied 3 to 4 base coats on it already, and now I've let it dry, and it was actually drying for about 4 to 5 hours in a closed space so that no dust or anything could settle on it. So guys, I recommend that you do the same, and in fact Check the helmet properly before taking it anywhere and make sure that it is completely dry. Like every single space is dry. Only if it is, then take it anywhere you want to. ओके सो गाइज अपन अभी आ चुके हैं यहाँ मिलन सबवे के वहाँ सांता क्रूज वेस्ट के वहाँ पे। अब जैसा देख सकते हैं ये है, और अपन भाई आए हैं अल्फाज ऑटो नंबर प्लेट्स। ये हैं भाई, बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं। मेरी पहले भी एक हेलमेट की थी इन्होंने, तो अभी दूसरी हेलमेट का काम यहाँ पे पीछे इस तरफ ये वाली। तो अभी भाई को करने देते हैं और देखते हैं आगे क्या। Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a fuck. I ain't come to argue, let a nigga fuck. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. See you next time.